What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Now today we are looking at this boom and crash swing trading strategy that is going to allow you to trade for a little bit longer and stay longer in the market while it's getting all the pips that the market is giving you. As you can see, you could actually have entered a trade around this point and go up with it all the way to where the price is currently at using this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. We've got simple moving averages that we're using to analyze the market. So throughout this whole video, I'm going to share with you guys the settings first of the strategy, and then we'll go to the conditions that have to be met for you to be able to catch swing trades and big moves like the ones that you see on my screen. This strategy is going to give you all these entries for 2023. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'm Munya and I review different trading strategies daily right here on this channel. So to make sure that you don't miss any of my strategies and tips to help you grow in your account, make sure you subscribe and you turn on the notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button so that I will notify you the next time I post a video. I'll personally notify you that we now have a new video. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also like this video if you want to continue seeing more videos. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. At least if I know that I'm talking to at least 100 people, then we can actually progress together and grow together. And if you guys are interested in us doing a daily analysis here on this channel every day, make sure you comment down below that you are interested in the daily challenges that we do each and every single day at ATG. Okay, so this is how the strategy looks like. Like I said, it's very simple and it just needs you to be patient and wait for the right conditions and the right moment. Just like any other strategy, you need to have the conditions set. So what I'll do right now is I'll remove all the indicators that I have on my screen, and we can have a step-by-step process of installing this strategy together. Okay, so let me remove all this and we can start installing the strategy together. Okay, so if you see, I'm back on my charts and we now have a blank chart. All you see are candlesticks. The red ones are the bearish candlesticks and the green ones are the bullish candlesticks, of course. And the first thing that we want to establish is that we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame for this strategy. So we're trying to get the entries a little bit earlier than everyone else so we can actually hold in profit without facing much drawdowns. Okay, you need to be a sniper, you need to be a hunter. Remember that as well. So the first indicator that we'll install is a moving average. Okay, and this moving average is going to have the following properties. You're going to have a period of 7, a shift of 0. The method is simple: apply to close, and the levels are not necessary throughout this video. And then time frame, on your visualization, make sure that it is on all time frames and you're good to go. And then on the styling, I chose this blue color for my first indicator. Okay, so we can actually click done and you see that we now have the blue moving average right on our charts. The next indicator that we want to install, again, it is going to fall under our main window and it is going to be a moving average again, and the properties are going to be as follows. The period will be 2, the shift will be 0, the method will be exponential, and then apply to close. And on the styling, we're going to change this color to black. Okay, and then done, and as you can see, we now have a black moving average again added on to our charts, which is good. Moving on, we're going to create an indicator window 1 that is going to help us in finding entries and opportunities in the market. Okay, so I'm going to go to my indicator section, and the first indicator that we'll add is going to be the stochastic oscillator. Okay, and this stochastic oscillator will have the following properties. We have a percentage K period of 10, a percentage D period of 5, a slowing of 5, a price field of low over high, and then the method is simple. And we've got these 3 levels which are very important. We've got our buy zone, which is level 20, we've got our sell zone, which is level 80, and we've got the take profit and the re-entry level, which is level 50. Okay, and then done. And then on our styling, our main should be the color white, and also our signal should be a color white or the same color as your background. So if you have a black background, those two should be black. If you have a white background like me, then you choose white like I did right there. Okay, so if I click on done, you see that I now have my sell zone, my re-entry zone, and take profit, and my buy zone as well. Okay, now in this indicator window one, we need to add some indicators. So I'm going to go to my indicator section, and we're going to click indicator window one, and we're going to add some moving averages. And the first moving average that we're going to add is going to have the following properties: a period of 2, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and I chose the color black for this one, and then click done. And again, we need to add the last indicator for our strategy, and it is also going to be under our indicator window one, and it is going to be a moving average as well. And the properties will be as follows: we have a period of 7, a shift of 0, a method of simple, apply to close, and then I'll change this color to blue. Okay, and then we'll click done. And now, as you can see, we've successfully installed our strategy. This is the strategy that we had in the beginning of the video, and now we need to start taking notes on the conditions, how to use the strategy, how to end the trades, and how to protect your capital as well. Talking about your take profit, your stop loss, your staking, all that. We're going to be discussing it right away. But before we get into all that, please make sure you are subscribed and you have turned on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a video again. Let's get to 100 likes. Please like this video, guys. It's completely free, and let's get to 100 likes. And like I said, if you guys are interested in a daily analysis of boom and crash, make sure you comment down below that you are interested. I've also placed a link in our description box below where you can join our Telegram channel for free, and you'll be able to see my trading results from these strategies, and you'll also be able to see my students' results, our VIP signals performance, and our account management results as well will be available in our Telegram channel. And also my WhatsApp number if you want to chat with me privately, or if you want to call me, all that, you'll be able to find it in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below, and it's completely free to join. Just click the link and it will take you straight to Telegram, and you just click join, and you'll be able to see everything that we posted in that group, in that channel, even before you were added. Everything, you'll be able to see it, because Telegram stores all the chats and everything that we posted. So it will still be beneficial for you to join today, because you'll still see stuff that we posted even before you had joined. So make sure you join us in our Telegram channel. Like I said, it's free to join. There are over 7,000 traders in that group, and it is a big trading community that you should be part of. So I'll leave the link in the description box below, and as well as our TikTok link where you can see some of our strategies and how we also trade again. Okay, so let's get back to how to use this strategy. It's almost obvious and self-explanatory how this strategy is going to be operating, but let me clarify on this. Okay, the first thing that you're going to be looking out for when you want to enter a trade is the position or the level at which you are at. Okay, so if you see this black and blue line approaching your buy zone like that, you're going to go to your main chart up here and start looking for buy opportunities, because this indicator window one is going to be telling you the momentum in which the market is in. Okay, so we've been told that we are in a buy zone. That means that we should be looking for buy opportunities. But then how do you then get those buy opportunities? Of course, you are going to be using the other indicators that we have up here. We are looking for when price crosses the black and the blue line to be above. Okay, so we're looking for a region when price is going to cross all our lines here and be above it, which is right around this zone. Okay, let me just highlight it. And that should also be accompanied by having the black line crossing to be above the blue line. So you have to have a number of confirmations being confirmed before actually entering into this buy trade. Okay, so we have about 3 confirmations for a buy trade. Okay, let's look for another opportunity just to confirm what I'm talking about. Remember, actually catching spikes here, because this is boom and you're entering buy trade. Okay, we are in our buy zone, and like I said, we want to have this cross of the black line going above the blue line, and we also want to have candlesticks crossing to be above all our lines. And as you can see, the market then pushed all the way up. Okay, we can go on and on and on, but I want to briefly explain sell trades before we continue with the back testing. Okay, so sell trades, of course, you're looking for what? You're looking for when the lines are in our sell zone, and also we're looking for a break, having candlesticks go below our blue and black line, and also having the black line go below the blue line, as you can see, and could have simply sold from that region. Now, one thing I want you guys to notice is the market does not immediately fall when all these conditions have been met. No, the market still performs its daily cycles, but you will be in line with what the market is giving you. Remember, you're using indicator window 1 that's telling you the momentum in which the market is at. So it doesn't necessarily mean that the moment you are going to enter a sell, it is going to sell right away. The market will still play out its Q cycle, and you still have to hold your position in which you have predicted. Okay, why am I telling you this? This is for you to give proper risk management, because you might actually be stopped out of a trade before you even realize profits, and then the market will go and continue in the direction that you predicted when you're already out of that trade. So make sure you have that margin that allows you the market to breathe in and out, that allows the market to perform its cycles without kicking you out of the market. This is a very high time frame. The 50-minute time frame is a very high time frame. A lot of things are happening in that 15-minute period, so you really need to have that in mind as well. But eventually your trade will go in your direction, because you're using one of the best strategies that I teach right here on this channel. Okay, so we have actually seen that this is a 2-in-1 strategy. You can go do both spike catching, you can do scalping as well, that is going against spikes and all that, and still be profitable. Let's take a look at a crash, and you see some of the trades that we actually entered into and made some profits. Here we were in our buy zone nicely. At the same time, we had a clean crossover of the black line going above the blue line, and at the same time we saw our candlesticks crossing to be above all our lines, the black and the blue, which we said is a clear indication of a buy opportunity, of a buying opportunity. And as you can see, we pushed all the way up. Now I want to explain something which you guys might be wondering, which is re-entries. Now take a look at this. We are at level 50. We see the black line crossing to be above the blue, and we also see the same thing happening on our main chart, and also we see candlesticks crossing all our lines, and this was actually a valid re-entry from this initial buy trade. You could actually, if you had missed this first entry, you could actually enter at this point and still be profitable. Again, we had another re-entry here. I think this trade, I actually posted it in our VIP signals group, and we made a lot of money from that trade. It was one of these trades, and if you guys want to join our VIP signals, where I post 3 to 5 signals daily, make sure you contact me from the number that you get in our Telegram channel, and I'll be able to assist you into getting to our VIP signals. Okay, so can you see this re-entry actually paid off? You didn't even have to wait for these blue lines to be either in a sell zone or in a buy zone. You'd actually do a re-entry at level 50 and still get some profits. So if you guys understood this strategy, please make sure you try it out first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, because trading is very risky and you need to protect your capital. If you need a part 2 for this strategy, make sure you comment part 2 down below in the comment section, and I think if we have a lot of them, I'll be able to do another video with the same strategy, looking at these nice opportunities. Now here we're almost reaching a sell zone. We'll probably get the same movement as this one, or these retracements here. So probably I'm predicting that we'll also have the same movement down here. I can already see that my lines are in my sell zone. I'm just waiting for the black line up here to cross to be below the blue line, just for a sure entry, and I'll just take my sell trade nicely. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this strategy. If you did, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Until next time.